Alright guys, so welcome to another video, and this video obviously is going to include JUVIAS Place. I got a PR package from JUVIAS Place. We've been talking about this for months, so they let me know, not months, probably a month and a half. They've let me know, and I'm just going to be showing you what comes in the package. So it's their I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation, 3 Kingdoms, 8 Families, 42 shades. That's cool. So they have them separated into kingdoms. But we've been talking back and forth. I should have gotten some stuff from them, didn't work out, and I just wrote them back on Instagram. I was like, hey, you know, we'll be working together, and they had said yes, you know. Then I've been talking to the person, and they sent this out. Now they have the 3 Kingdoms is Nubian, medium, and fair. Alright, so this is what the package looks like. I'm geeked, you guys, completely geeked. So it comes with their, sorry, my hands. This comes with their Nubian 3 Coral palette. Hold on, let me open this up for you. I hope Jonathan isn't bothering you guys. He's watching his thing outside. So the Nubian 3 Coral palette, and I believe this is a new palette that they have. And it's nice and compact. Size of my face. And ooh, oh hello beautiful. Okay, I don't see any names, and I don't see any names on the packaging either. So this is what it looks like. Nice and neutral. Very nice. Very nice. So oh, this is girthy. I like it. Juvia, thank you. So let me just, it's opening, I promise. It's opening. Oh, what? Alright. Here we go. Oh my gosh, their packaging is so nice. It is so nice. So, okay, wow. Wow. We have all the foundations in here. Alright, so I'm going to try Zara 320 and the Kenya 200. I feel like Kenya 200 would be better for me. Wow, this is actually thick. Can you tell? Whoa. Alright, and then this is Zara is a little bit lighter. So I think I want to continue working with Kenya, right? Okay, so let's work with Kenya, and then let's look at the concealers. So for the concealers, I have 4, and this let me see what colors they are. Ooh, this is 1. I can use that to low light. This is, oh, this looks nice. This is 9. I like when my concealers have this kind of a color. Oh my god, I am geeked. This is really light. This one is 13. Okay, I like this one too. This is 11. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Wow, yo, look at how many foundations. So let me zoom y'all in. Alright, so again, this is Kenya here. And I just have like a little bit on my hand, just a little bit. Taking a flat top brush, so I'm holding the brush weird. I have pregnancy carpal tunnel, and it is really doing me, it's doing a girl bad. Ooh, Oh Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay, so it is a little bit too red in this lighting, but in person, yo, in person it looks so good. But I'm just using my ring light. I don't have any additional light, just my ring light, so it's giving off this weird color. So let me go back in a little bit more. I am Magic Velvet Foundation. Wow. I like what this is doing. Alright, so not sure, can you see what I do have some imperfections peeking out. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I am pregnant and it has given me a very dark neck. For those of you who like to act brand new, and y'all know I'm pregnant, y'all know my neck be dark, you mammy. So whenever I'm applying foundation, I like to push it into my skin. I don't like to swipe, I don't like to rub, nothing. I just like to push it into my skin. I feel like it gets a better coverage that way. This is what I've been most excited to try out, the concealers. I love the packaging on their concealers. I'll be using number 9. And it's a doe foot applicator from what I can tell. Alrighty. Oh, this is big. I love this. So this is number 9. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, honey. And then this is number 1. Number 1 is dark, but I don't mind. I can contour. Woo! This is hella dark. Wow. I'm just gonna put 3 dots. And that one take out did my entire face, yo. So I'm going to blend out my low light, my highlight first. So I'm going to blend out my low light first. It's so hard for me to hold stuff. I mean, I like how it's blending out. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I like how it's blending out. It's very creamy. but it feels light, you know. It doesn't feel as thick as LA Pro concealer, which most of us are accustomed to. I actually love, look at that, I love the formula of this. Wow, I think I put too much like under my eyes. Whoa. So now I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and blend the edges. Yo, I clearly underestimated this concealer. I did not need that much, and everything is concealed, bruh. I did not need that much. So I'm going to set my makeup and then come back to how I feel about everything about this product. Alright, so for my glow, I'm actually going to take this color here because I'm filming in my new filming setup and I forgot to pack my glows from JUVIAS, because you know they have their own, you guys know what I'm trying to say, right? They have those, but I forgot to pack it. So after I powdered and I've set, I completely, where is it? I completely underestimated these concealers. Completely, like literally a lot goes a really long way. So don't overdo it like I did it. For in the name of Jesus, don't do it. But I am hella pleased. I love how this is looking. I love how it feels. It feels light. Jonathan is bathing, if you can hear. That's what you're hearing. It feels light on my skin. It doesn't feel like it's being weighed down. Wow, this is everything, you guys. This is absolutely everything. I'm in. Yeah. Hell yeah, seal of approval. Hell yeah. And I'm glad, because like a first impression, since I've never tried them, so I'm glad I actually like them. Oh, thank God, because if I didn't like them, I don't know, I'll probably just not upload this video. But if you're seeing this video, then these get my seal of approval. I am in love with them. I love them so much. It's very nice and full coverage. You do not need a lot at all, which is amazing. Especially for your makeup artist kit, you don't need a lot. They can easily be shared out. You can easily go full coverage with them. So yeah, this is it, guys, for this video. Again, JUVIAS Place, thank you so much for sending these to me, and y'all can catch me on my social media, tagging them, bagging them. Yo. Bye guys.